Hey guys, got the ChefsTemp S1 set at 350 degrees. The old Brizo fan down here, it's pushing the air on in and trying to get that to temp. I just put in a pizza and some chicken thighs. Let's take a look at it. Here's this pizza. It's just a mushroom pizza essentially, and like a flatbread style pizza. Mushroom and Italian seasoning on it, a little bit of garlic, and then here's my chicken thighs down here. Got it much closer to the heat, trying to bubble up that skin and do a hot and fast cook on this. Again, I keep opening and closing the door to look at the food, but like I said, I've got it set on 350 right now. It's probably going to stop dropping here any second and start climbing back up, but it's gonna run till it hits 350. And that's pushing the air on through, and like I said, hot and fast. Hey guys, this ChefsTemp stuff is great, man. I've got super fine temperature control. I can set it at any degree temperature I want, and man, it'll run and get it right where it needs to be. It'll work for any charcoal pit. I've got 2 charcoal pits right now that it's running on. I've also got the S1 on my gas grill just so I can monitor from the inside if I need to. But man, if you ain't got the ChefsTemp stuff, you really need to get it. Yet another successful cook on the old country with ChefsTemp. Man, if you don't have this stuff, you need to get it. It's absolutely incredible. I took those chicken thighs to about 170 internal. Now the trick on that is to get that skin salted and brined probably 24 hours before and let it sit. That's the only way it'll crisp up fast enough. But the pizza, man, I mean 20 minutes at 350 or so. It doesn't even have to be exact. I just had it sitting on the top rack and it came out absolutely amazing. My wife said it's the best pizza she's ever had. So another win.